Let's get started. Tie your hair into a ponytail. I did my whole skincare routine this morning. I'm just adding a little bit more hydration. Prep your lips with lip balm. Take some Vaseline and add it around your hairline. With a light color eyeliner, I outline where I want my design. Pour liquid latex into a bowl. Use your cotton ball, separate it like this. Dip it into liquid latex, squeeze out as much latex as you can and apply it to where you want your scar. Spread the cotton ball into a weird shape. I use my cuticle tool to spread the cotton. I almost forgot to add Vaseline to my brows. Quickly add that to your brows. Again, take a little bit of cotton, dip it into liquid latex, and add it to your scar. If your latex is dripping like this, just use your fingers to remove the excess. Spread your cotton using your cuticle tools. Repeat until you have made all the scars that you want. Make sure whenever you're using liquid latex to wear clothes that you don't care about. I run the scars all the way down to my chest. Make sure to make weird shapes and sizes with your cotton while creating your scars. I do one more scar on this cheek. I'm trying to create where Snow White has been waiting for her Prince Charming for decades and rotting away. While my scars are drying, I start making the maggots. Pour liquid latex into a bowl, use a cuticle tool or whatever you have at home, and start making different size circles. Once it's dryish, start rolling it. Add some brown eyeshadow color to set it. If your scars are still not dry, use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Take your lightest color foundation and apply all over the face, including onto your scars. Run the foundation down your neckline and chest as well. Now I'm creating my maggot wounds. Take the Nye Scar Wax and use the Vaseline so it doesn't stick to your fingers and start molding the wax. Dab latex onto where you want your maggot wounds and place the wax on top. Smooth out the edges. You want your wax to be bumpy and thick in some areas so you can add your maggot holes in a sec. Apply foundation on top to blend out. Now add the scar wax to a few more areas. With a Q-tip, break off one end and use it to create the maggot holes. You want the holes to be different sizes. Dip the Q-tip into the Vaseline before creating the holes. This will help the scar wax not stick onto the Q-tip while making the holes. For this look, I'm using all the colors in my Ben Nye color wheel besides the yellow this time. I start coloring around the scars with the green first. The green will make it look like you've been rotting away for a while. Now I'm going in with the burgundy color. Color the scars as well to enhance the look. Remember, you don't have to make it look perfect. Keep coloring until you're happy with the look. If you don't have these cream colors or eyeshadows at home, use whatever you have. You can use basic eyeshadow colors like black, brown, navy, purple. If you want to try cream colors, you can always grab a Halloween kit at Walmart or any Halloween stores. To set the cream colors, I go in with the red, olive, navy, black, and purple eyeshadows. I take a brown color and shade in the scars a little bit more. Use a dark green and black eyeliner to line around the eyes. I use the green color first, then smudge it out. Go in with the black eyeliner, line the waterline as well, smudge. Time to add the maggots. Dip the maggots into liquid latex and add it into the holes. I recommend adding 2 into some of the holes. Time for hair. Spray the Chi Iron Guard all over. Run your fingers through your hair. I curl my hair really quick. You don't have to make it look perfect. Once you're done curling your hair, start back combing with a teasing brush. When I'm done with back combing a section, I spray hairspray, then scrunch. Now I'm finishing up the makeup. Take the Ben Nye Neutral Set Powder and set the makeup. For the lips, I'm using a red color lipstick and smear it all over my lips. Set it with a red powder eyeshadow. Then I go in with some black eyeshadow and add it to the edges of my lips. Time for the fun part, blood. Pour blood into a container and start adding it to the scars. Add blood into the maggot wounds as well. Make sure to stay until the very end. I will show you me taking off the makeup. Adding blood seriously completes the look. It's like the mascara of your makeup. It probably sounds funny, but I carry around a thing of blood whenever I want to touch up on my makeup. One sec, time to get glam up. Wow, this neckline is pretty low. I apply some black eyeshadow to my chest to blend the look together. Take a red ribbon and add it to your hair. I finish off with some color contacts. Here's a close-up of the look. Let's take off the makeup. Start peeling off the latex. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of hurts pulling off the latex. Well, at least this week I don't have to do my chemical peel. With the scar wax, you would need rubbing alcohol to take it off. And that is it, guys. Don't forget to be creative, have fun, and I'll see you next time.